This project demonstrates a complete workflow for improving code quality using SonarQube. The process starts when a developer writes code, which may initially contain multiple issues such as poor structure, duplicate logic, or security risk. This bad code is stored in the bad directory. Next, the code is analyzed by SonarQube during the first scan. At this stage, the system detects various issues, including code smells, potential bugs, and security vulnerability. These results provide a clear picture of what needs to be improved. Based on this feedback, the developer refactors the code. The goal is to transform the original implementation into clean, maintainable, and secure code. The improved version is played in the good directory, where responsibilities are better separated and best practices are applied. After refactoring, unit tests are written to validate the behavior of the new code. These tests are then executed to ensure connectivity and to generate a coverage report. This report in coverage info file shows how much of the code is actually tested. The project is scanned again by SonarQube, this time using the improved code and the generated coverage data. As a result, the system shows clear improvement, fewer bugs, fewer code smell, and measurable test coverage. Finally, the project passed the quality gate, which confirms that the code meets the defined quality standard and is ready for future use or development. Demo flow. This session shows how to run the project step by step and observe the improvement between bad code and clean code. 1. Install dependencies. First, install on required package. 2. Run test that execute the test and generate the coverage report. This step creates the file coverage info file. This file is essential because SonarQube uses it to calculate coverage. 3. Start SonarQube. Run SonarQube locally using Docker. Then open your browser and access HTTP localhost on 9000 port. 4. Run scan on bad code. Now analyze the bad version of the code. At this point, SonarQube will report many issues such as code smell, bugs, and possible security risk. 5. Run scan on good code. After that, analyze the refactor code. This scan will include both improved code quality and test coverage. 6. Compare results. Finally, open SonarQube http://localhost on 9000 port. Compare the two scans to clearly see the improvement. Reduce number of bugs, fewer code smell, coverage percentage is now available, better maintainability. Add version. Good version. This code to have a SonarQube know where to scan code data.